all the Finnish and English courses are all online. All right, let's delve deeper through the pathway program. So there are two kinds of pathway programs. There's pathway to bachelor's and pathway to master's. Pathway to master's later na, dito muna tayo sa bachelor's. So here's a quick facts. There are three kinds of study tracks or type of programs. We have business programs, you have engineering programs, you have nursing programs. The intakes, or what we call the semester, is during August and January. So that means kung August ka nag-preparatory course or August ka nag-pathway, you will then proceed to your bachelor ng January. Kung January ka nag-pathway, then August ka mag-bachelor. We also have two locations for pathway programs. We have online and study hub in Helsinki. So sa online, you will be studying online in your home country here in the Philippines. And then yung study hub naman, we are in partners with a lot of universities in Finland. So there is a classroom. Nakihiram kami ng classroom doon sa Metropolia University. And they can study there. However, pathway program or the pathway classes are mostly online. So in Study Hub, you will just be meeting your classmates, you'll be meeting some tutors there. And then the duration, we have a full-time studies, which is the 1 semester, or part-time studies, or 2 semesters. However, we would really suggest that you take up the 1 semester because the sooner you finish the pathway course, the sooner you will get to Finland, or the sooner you will proceed to the bachelor's program. Here are the general admission requirements for the pathway to bachelor's. So first, we have the high school diploma, transcript of records, so a minimum of 50% GPA is required, and copy of your passport ID page and proof of English proficiency. Now for pathway, we would be requiring the English proficiency certificate, but we accept everything. We accept Duolingo, IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge, Pearson. So next, we have the pathway to master's. It's mostly the same with pathway to bachelor, but the study track for pathway to master's is just, of course, a master pathway. It's the same intake, August and January. Same, the new location, online and study hub in Helsinki, but we only offer a full-time studies for pathway to master's. And here are the general admission requirements for them. Bachelor degrees in the required field. So for example, gusto mo mag-masters ng business, dapat yung bachelor's mo business din or relevant to business. Next is the transcript of records. And then 2 years of relevant work experience. So lahat na master's program in Finland required mag-apply with a 2 years of relevant work experience. Next is copy of passport ID page and proof of English proficiency. So for our pathway to master's, dalawa lang kasi yung partner namin na university. So it's Kayani or KAMK and Metropolia University. So the minimum IELTS level is 5.5 for KAMK or Kayani, and Metropolia IELTS 6.0 or equivalent sa Duolingo. We will still accept that. And here is the program fees of the pathway to bachelor and pathway to master's. So different siya sa online and study hub. For online, for business track, we have 3,200 euros. For nursing and engineering tracks, it's also the same, 3,200 euros. And then for study hub, it's 4,400 for both business tracks and nursing and engineering. So let's compute it, sorry. Times 60. So it's around 200,000 pesos or 264,000 to be exact for the study hub. For part-time, it's 3,500 euros. And then for the pathway to master's, the online class is 3,900 euros and the study hub is 5,100 euros. Now, pathway as a preparatory program, its advantages are the following. So you can get accepted within 24 hours as long as complete yung documents na isasubmit mo sa amin or sa Anicon. Next is you will secure your study place upon completion. It is a guaranteed admission. As long as matapos nyo, mapasa nyo yung pathway program, which is a preparatory course, so kayang-kaya nyong lagpasan yan at matapos yan, you will get a guaranteed admission to our partner universities and to your bachelor or master's program that you have chosen. Next, we have highly competent pathway teachers. They will really help you if you are struggling or if there are any questions. They are there for you. And we have an innovative online study model, and we prepare the students academically. All right, so again, in Pathway, we have online classes and we have Study Hub. So when you are studying the Pathway program, all classes are offered through our online platform called Planed. So the Pathway studies will remain to be full-time. I just want to emphasize that. And I just want to emphasize that. So this is the path of the Pathway. First semester, Pathway to Finland. After finishing the Pathway program, you can proceed to bachelor degree studies or master's degree studies, and then graduation. Okay, so, well, here are our partners in Finland and partners in the Pathway program. So after the Pathway program, you can progress or proceed to all of these programs. So let's start with Kajaani University of Applied Sciences. You can proceed to Bachelor of Business Administration, Information Technology, Game Development, and others. So I'm just going to skim through this. If you need more information, Anacon is there to help you. You can reach them and you can send them a message. So first, we have the Kajaani. Kajaani also offers a master level. So we have Global Business Management, Master of Business Administration, and Game Business Management. And then we have Karelia. So we have business programs here. We have engineering programs here. The tuition fees in Karelia starts at 9,000 euros per academic year. So that's around 500,000 pesos po. Next, we have Satakunta University of Applied Sciences. We have business programs and engineering programs and healthcare programs in Satakunta. We also have Lab University of Applied Sciences. We have business and engineering programs where the tuition fee is 8,000 euros per academic year. And we also have Metropolia University of Applied Sciences. And new programs will be added. The bachelor programs will be added here or will be informed by you by Anacon. And you have business programs here and engineering and healthcare and social care here. So the tuition fee of Metropolia usually starts at 11,000 euros po. They also offer master's program. So merong business program, meron ding engineering program. For master's program sa Metropolia, it's 11,500 euros per year. So here are our partner schools. All right, so that was the Pathway program. And now let's proceed to a donation group education, or what we call the short-term programs or the vocational programs. So here are our partners. Meron na din po kaming partners doon to ensure that lahat ng gusto ng students na programs we can also offer you. So let's start with Tampere University of Applied Sciences. So ngayon, I will be sharing like two vocational programs that are available. So first, we have the Postgraduate Diploma in International Business Management. So this is for students who want to have a diploma in International Business Management. This will start in October this year. It is in Tampere, and the program fee is around 12,000 euros. 12,000 euros. Now, the eligibility, anyone can actually apply. Any students who have a bachelor's degree, pwedeng mag-apply dito. As long as there is also a minimum of 2 years of full-time work experience that is related to business. Okay. Next, we have the vocational qualification in social and healthcare, or what we call the practical nursing. This is for nursing graduates or kahit hindi nakapagtapos. for nursing graduates, kahit na registered nurse or hindi registered nurse, they are open to apply here. The studies will start on November 2025 this year, and the program fee is 10,200 euros per academic year. Okay, so here are the eligibility requirements: completed a 3 to 4 bachelor degree or diploma in general nursing, awarded by a recognized higher education institution. And also, compared sa Pathway program, dito sa ating short-term courses, hindi kailangan ng IELTS or ng any English certificate. As long as marunong kayo mag-English and yeah, maka-converse lang kayo in English, that is accepted na sa amin. And next, we also offer a vocational qualification in restaurant and catering services. Now, this is for 14 months, full-time studies on campus. This will start on September 2025. All the language of instruction pala, guys, ng lahat ng programs namin is in English and in Finnish. So before magsa-start ang vocational programs, you will have an online Finnish language course, which is kasama na dito sa, there is a mandatory online Finnish language course that costs 495 euros on top of the 11,650 euros na tuition fee nila. So this program is designed for applicants who already have a certificate as a cook or chef and 2-year working experience in kitchen work. All right. And then next, those are our programs. We have the Pathway program, then we have the vocational programs. We still have a lot of programs to offer that Anicon can explain to you later on if you are interested in applying to studying in Finland. But for now, I'm just going to give you a run-through of what the donation offers then. So ngayon, we also offer the language courses. We have the EN Finnish. So if you are interested in studying in Finnish, kahit hindi ka na mag-study ng, in Finland, gusto mo lang talaga matuto ng bagong language, so we also offer that because all of our language courses, they are held online. So here, Finnish. And we also have EN English. This is for students na gusto din i-improve yung kanilang English. So yeah, those were our partner vocational colleges. All of our partner vocational colleges are high quality education system. We also have practical learning experience and then strong industry connections. Like after the vocational programs, just like I've said earlier, you will get 2 kinds of certificate. The first one is the NQF that enables you to work in Finland, and the second one is the EQF, which will enable you to work across Europe. And after applying or after studying, kung nakagraduate na kayo sa mga vocational programs namin, you can apply for a look for work permit, and you can stay in Finland to look for a job for a maximum of 2 years. So di ka na dito, diba? So aside from all those programs that I have mentioned kanina, or I have presented kanina, here are also the programs na available din. We have healthcare programs, which is the practical nursing kanina, the restaurant and catering program that I have just presented. We also have food production, we have business, cleaning, IT, and beauty. So if you are interested, send a message to Anicon and they will be happy to help you in achieving your dream to study in Finland. So again, just to reiterate that Finland is a great place to study. It has an excellent learning environment and facilities. The learning based on discussion, student participation, and working together. And international educational institutions. There's a balanced student life, and there's a vibrant student community. Super daming students din naman doon. Okay, so those are all about the studying in Finland. Ngayon, let's go to the residence permit or the study visa, or just visa that you know of. So quick facts, the application, the residence permit application will be submitted to enter Finland at FI. apply. So online po siya that you will submit. And then you will book an appointment at the VFS Center. So yung VFS Center po natin, I think nasa BGC na siya ngayon. And then the Finnish Immigration Office, or what we call MIGRI, they are the ones who processes all the residence permits. Now, the average processing time at MIGRI is 1 to 3 months if application is perfect. Pero here sa Philippines, and in experience, basta yun nga, perfect yung application mo or complete lahat ng documents mo, wala nang hihingin sa'yo, like 1 month. 1 month meron na para mapaprocess na agad yung residence permit mo. Plus, you'll get a positive decision na agad. So yeah, 3 to 6 months if additional documents are needed. Processing time starts after the appointment at embassy or the VFS center. And peak months between, so the processing often takes longer than 1 to 3 months. So all applications are processed first come, first serve. And this is the same sa EduNation din. Lahat ng applications na receive namin, it's all first come, first serve. All right. And here are the required documents for the student residence permit application. First, a valid passport. Second, the letter of acceptance from the university, which our admissions team will be sending to you. And then payment receipt from the bank confirming you have paid the tuition fee. 2 passport photos. 350 euros for the application fee. This application fee will be paid directly to MIGRI, hindi pa sa amin. We do not collect anything for that. And then a certificate of health insurance. Lahat po ng international students kailangan po ng health insurance. Now, EduNation is also in partners with SwissCare, and yeah, pwede po kayo doon mag-apply. The link will be shared to Anicon, and Anicon can also help processing that for you. And clarification of income. So detailed documents that demonstrate that you have the required funds to cover living expenses in Finland, and documents that explain the source of those funds. So that's like the bank statement. So yung bank statement, at least kailangan ng 6,720 euros in your account para, okay, wait lang. Compute ko siya muna, guys. So it's around 400,000 in your bank account. This is for 1 year na siya. But yeah, if you're applying for a 1-year residence permit, you must have around 400,000 in your bank account. So at least mga siguro 6 months nasa bangko. Yeah, nasa bangko nyo para makita na you have funds for the past few months. And then, yeah, payment receipt from the bank confirming you have paid the full tuition fee, and the certificate of health insurance. So yes, these are what you need to apply for a residence permit to Finland. Now, here is the application process. So makakatanggap kayo ng acceptance letter from the university, and then once na-receive niyo na yung application letter, wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa, kailangan nyo na agad mag-apply ng residence permit application. Because I heard from other students na medyo madami-dami na din yung nag-a-apply. So you have to get your slot na agad sa appointment with the VFS. And then after you have your schedule, you appear in the VFS and bring all the original documents with you. And then just follow the process and trust the process. So wait for the MIGRI decision. And once you receive the MIGRI decision, then your residence permit card will arrive at the embassy or VFS within 2 to 3 weeks. So you will be notified, and then you can get it na agad done. And once the process is done, you can collect the residence permit card, and you can book the flight and start your studies in Finland. So all of these, itong process na to, you have to make sure that you keep Anicon and EduNation informed para aware naman kami kung if ever need na natin mag-message sa MIGRI to expedite your residence permit. Okay, and one of the frequently asked questions are, pwede po ba dalhin yung family? Talagang dalhin yung pamilya. And although EduNation strongly suggests na mauna kayo before your family, just to, para maka-settle down ka muna before bringing your family. But if hindi talaga mapigilan, of course, you can bring your family members. So they can also apply for a residence permit based on other ties. Yan po yung term or yun po yung name ng form na i-fill out nyo. And yes, so spouse can apply at the same time as the student, but the student's application is processed first. So the spouse decision may take much longer. And yeah, so here are the income requirement for family members if different than for the student. So the spouse is required to have 700 euros per month to cover the living expense in Finland. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Of course.
All right, guys. Sorry again. Please join the link na shinare ni Georgie dun sa ating chat box. Let's jump to that link. And then Miss Raya will continue her presentation so that we can still have enough time for our questions later.
Okay.
All right, thank you. We'll wait for you on the other link, guys. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Hello. All right. I'll just share my screen. Wait. Okay. Actually, patapos naman na guys. So, konting tiis na lang. And if you have any questions, especially if you asked in the chat box sa kabilang Google Meet, you can copy paste it here so that I can answer them. So anyway. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. So bringing your family along, yes, you can bring your families, and here are the income requirement for family members. So the spouse is required to have 700 euros per month to cover the living expenses in Finland. So a total for student plus spouse is 1,260 euros per month. So that's around 75,000 per month ang dapat na nasa bangko nyo. And the income requirement, a child under 18 years old, kung may dala kayong bata, will be 500 euros per month. So, ibig sabihin, kung isang family talaga kayo, dalawa kayo, and then a child, which means tatlo kayo, it should be 1,760 or 100,000 pesos in your bank account for like 6 months. Dapat may ganun. And the student spouse get a residence permit based on family ties, the spouse can work with limitations. Ibig sabihin, kung ang international student ay maximum of 30 hours per week lang ang pagtrabaho or part-time work lang yung pwede sa international student, for the spouse naman, pwedeng only time siya mag-work. So, yeah, they can work for a full-time job while their spouse is studying in Finland. And the student's child can attend basic education for free in the local school. So note that studying is done in Finnish or in Swedish. And if a child's language skills are not adequate to, she can be enrolled in preparatory education. So the duration is usually 1 year lang, and after which the kids will join the normal class in Finnish and Swedish language. So ganun. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, kindly let me know.
All right. I believe, Georgie, were able to save the questions earlier, so you can directly ask those questions to Ms. Raya.
Yes, for pathway lang, required yung English language test. But for our vocational programs or short-term programs, hindi required yung English test. Okay. So age limit naman, our age limit is 18 years old until 45 years old. Pero of course, kung 47 na kayo or 50 na kayo and then you are eligible sa mga programs namin, pwede pa naman talaga kayo mag-apply. We are just concerned sometimes na syempre, if you're going to study and you're 50 years old, kasi and want to work, as long as may energy pa to work, okay, pwede kayo mag-apply pa. For medical examinations, it depends on the program that you are applying for. Pag mag-apply ka for a practical nursing program, yun kailangan talaga. But for the others like restaurant and catering or production, food production or cleaning, I think hindi na siya required. But yeah, if ever, I'll inform Anicon and Anicon can inform you. Yes. So ilang years? It's actually just 1 year. For example, the one that I have presented, 12 months lang po siya. And yes, pwede pong dalhin yung spouse. And the spouse can actually work for a full-time work. Dalhin mo siya in Finland. Yes, there is an interview, pero yung interview kasi namin, hindi siya yung parang job interview na parang nakakakaba. Yung interview lang namin is we just want to assess two things. First, yung English mo, para hindi naman namin kailangan na super magaling ka sa English. Parang if ever na kaya mo lang talaga mag-converse in English kasi nga you will be going to a different country or in another country. So para lang magkaintindihan kayo ng teacher mo, ng classmates mo, friends that you will have later on. And then second, we just want to assess then your suitability to the program and your motivation to study in Finland. So most of the questions are actually, why do you want to study in Finland? And what are your background that is related to this program? And why do you want to study the program? Yun, ganyan siya. Okay, so for food production and cleaning, this is actually to be launched pa lang siya next week. So that means next week ko pa din mabibigay sa Anicon. But we do have a food production program and may cleaning program din. So, syempre, yung sa cleaning program, hindi na kailangan ng vocational certificate for cleaning. Kasi wala naman yatang ganyan here in the Philippines. But I think ang kailangan lang is high school certificate and work experience sa cleaning. Ganyan. Food production, mostly anything related to food production. Basta nakahawa ka ng pagkain or nakagawa ka ng pagkain in your work, you are eligible to apply din. So you will know more about that soon, and I'm sure Anicon will reach out to you for that. That, cleaning and the breakdown of expenses. Yes, of course. Makakarating po yan next week. Thank you. Thank you then. If you have any questions, don't be shy. Go lang. I'm happy to answer them. And I'm happy that you're very interested in our food production and cleaning. So I hope to see you in Finland.
Yeah, hi, Miss Raya. Just a question. I don't know if I missed that information earlier, but since it's allowed to bring their spouse, how much is the show money or evidence of funds that they need to prepare?
Okay. So for that one, a spouse is required to have 700 euros sa kanyang bank account, yung spouse. So 700 times 60, so around 42,000 per month. Yan. To cover the living expenses in Finland. So kung total for student at saka spouse, it would be 1,260. 1,260 per month. So that's 75,000 pesos. So that means yung spouse, dapat na may 45, diba? Tapos, dapat may 45,000 lang siya na constant sa bangko niya for around 6 months. Ganyan. Or 45 pataas. Oh my gosh! Actually, bago lang namin yung pinag-usapan sa meeting like last week, if ever na may gustong mag-construction, logic controls, and robotics. So, actually, hindi yung logic controls, wala pa. But robotics and construction, so we're talking about that. So we're actually we're going to talk to our partners, university partners in Finland. And yeah, meron maybe soon. Yes. Well, unfortunately, we do not have any partners sa accommodations. However, our team in Finland will be happy to help the students if ever na nahihirapan sila maghanap ng accommodation. So, but of course, there's an additional fee for that, and it actually starts at 300 euros. But yeah, if ever na kailangan ng help ng student accommodation and wala na silang mahanap by themselves, they can message us or you. Kasi madami din namang dorms and apartments near the institutions. Yes, we do. Thank you so much for bringing that up. Yes, our team in Finland, actually, yung office ng Edination, it's in Tampere. So it is in the northern part of dun banda. But yes, yung aming team, we have someone who picks up the students and then merong small orientation sa office ng Edination mismo. Yes. Yeah. Yes, of course. Thank you so much for inviting me to more webinars and to more students.
All right. Thank you guys and have a great evening. Looking forward with your resumes. Please send those to our email so that we can provide the program fits to your background. Thank you so much guys again and have a great evening. Thank you, Miss Raya.